Using my favorite mingle seasonings, we are going to make a crispy rice satay salad, and the mingle seasoning makes it so easy. I'm using half of the packet to season my chicken to get started. Then I've added the other ingredients to cook it off like you would a curry. Once you have some cooked rice, then you're going to spread your rice on a baking tray. Then I'm adding some sesame oil, the other half a packet of my satay seasoning, and also some of the mingle sweet chili sauce. Once I have all of these ingredients on here, I will give them a good mix through the rice, and so everything is fully coated. Then I'm going to spread that rice out evenly over my pan so I can cook this in the oven and make it nice and crispy. So what I find when I'm doing this is I tend to turn the rice after maybe 10 minutes, give it 2 or 3 turns if possible, just to mix up the rice so the outside doesn't burn, and you get a nice even crunch across the rice because you want it to be nice and crispy. Meanwhile, I am assembling all of my salad ingredients. I'm just adding my avocado here, and then once I have turned my rice and it's fully cooked, then I can take it out and cool it off before it's added to the salad. You can take the chicken out of the sauce, but I just find that it's easier to add the whole thing to the salad because I'm going to use the sauce as a dressing anyway. And this is after I've let the actual chicken and sauce cool down a little bit. Then I add my crispy rice, the star of the show, to the salad, and then everything is going to get a very good mix together. So there you have a delicious salad to keep you satisfied, high in protein.